In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the shape of your turtle. First things first is we want to import the turtle library. Where's my mouse? So import turtle like we've done before. Let me go ahead and name my turtle. Equals turtle, lowercase, dot turtle, uppercase, and then open and close parentheses. But as you can see, I made a mistake and it tells me exactly where the mistake is made. Now, in order to change the turtle shape, you want to call out your turtle, which in my case is Limas, and you're going to use the shape function, SHAPE. And in the shape function, you're actually going to type in the turtle shape that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and type in turtle, and it has to be inside parentheses. I'm sorry, not parentheses, quotation marks. Here I got single quotation marks. If I'm not mistaken, I believe even double quotation marks work. And I'm going to make my turtle go forward, and we'll go 100 pixels just so you can see the shape of the turtle. And so there you can see that the turtle is a turtle shape. Now there are other shapes that you can change it to. The kids just love using the turtle. You can also change it to an arrow, and these are all polygon shapes. Now the arrow, it's a little bigger arrow. You can also change it to a circle. And so it'll be a big circle. You can also change it to a square. Again, make sure you put the single quotation marks. There's the square. There's also a triangle, if I'm not mistaken. And let's see how that looks. Kind of like an arrow. And the last one is just the generic one, the regular one, which is the classic. And the classic will be used, a small arrow like that, if you do not even use the shape function. Watch, I'm going to go ahead and turn off this line of code by making it into a comment. And if you look at the size of the arrow, you click run, it's the exact same thing. So why would you want to change it to classic? I don't know. But let me change it back to turtle, because that's what the kids seem to enjoy, the turtle shape. And that's how you change the shape of your turtle.